Volume of solids. We've already seen in Form 1 the volumes of several solids. Just a recap: cube, the volume is L cubed. Cuboid, volume is length base times height. Cylinder, volume is pi r squared height. For solids with uniform cross-section, volume is given by cross-section area times length. Volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is calculated as a third base area times height. For example, for the pyramid below, volume is a third times 4 times 5 times 6, which is 40 centimeter cubed. Volume of a cone is calculated as a third base area times height, that is a third pi r squared times h. For example, for the cone below, the volume will be a third times pi times 7 times 7 times 15, giving us 770 centimeter cubed. Volume of frustrums. Volume of a frustrum is equal to volume of the entire figure minus the volume of the smaller solid. Recall that R over small r is equal to H over small h. The ratio R over R is called linear ratio. It can be shown that R over small r squared times the area of the small solid is equal to area of the large solid. Equally, R over small r cubed times the volume of the small solid is equal to volume of the large solid. For example, find the volume of the frustrum below. Again, we can extend it to form a complete pyramid. L over small l is equal to H over small h, and h is 12 centimeters. Volume of the larger pyramid is a third times 10 times 10 times 12, which is 400 centimeter cubed. Volume of small pyramid is a third times 5 times 5 times 6, which is equal to 50 centimeter cubed. Volume of the frustrum is 400 minus 50, which is 350. Alternatively, the area of the small pyramid is equal to a third times 5 times 5 times 6, which is 50. The linear ratio L over small l is 10 over 5, which is equal to 2. The linear ratio cubed times the volume of the small pyramid is 2 cubed times 50, which gives us 400 centimeter cubed, which was the volume of the larger pyramid. The volume of a sphere is calculated as 4 over 3 pi r cubed.
What are you looking for in a college? Many students discover that when they attend a large university, they become just another face in the crowd. Well, not at SAGU. Here, there is one professor to every 19 students. That means instead of being a face in a crowd, you know and interact with your professors personally. You'll be joining more than 2,000 students from 46 states and 35 countries for a college experience like no other. Because at the center of everything we value are our commitments to Bible-based education and academic excellence. Here at SAGU, we offer more than 60 degrees, a full selection of sports, clubs, and organizations, and international travel to make your life as a SAGU Lion a memorable and empowering experience. Our average annual cost is half of the national average for other private schools, and we award $28 million annually in financial aid, with 92% of students receiving some form of financial assistance. Now, you might be wondering, where exactly is SAGU? Well, you know where Dallas, Texas is, right? SAGU is in Waxahachie, just south of Dallas and Fort Worth, close enough to benefit from the restaurants, pro sports activities, churches, and jobs of a booming metroplex. So, if you haven't given SAGU a close look, perhaps it's time.